Good morning. We're, Today we are discussing HTML basics. In HTML, it is used to develop websites. There are various tags that we must consider and include while starting to the code in HTML. These tags help in organizing and a basic formatting of elements in our script or web pages. By using this tab, two procedures will through process of HTML writing programs. Basic HTML document. In this different tags, the basic HTML tag which divides the whole document into various parts like head, body, etc. Every HTML document begins with a HTML document tag. Every HTML document begins with a HTML document tag. Although this is not mandatory, but it is good convenience to start the document with by using document type tag. Here, in between of less than and greater than symbol, docu type HTML. First one is the HTML. Your HTML code must be enclosed between the basic HTML tags. It begins with HTML and ends with \HTML. Less than HTML, greater than close, and ends with less than \HTML greater than tag. Second one is the head tag. This head tag comes next, which contains all the header information of the web page or a document like the title of the web page and other miscellaneous information. These information are enclosed within the head tag, which opens with a head and ends with \head. The contents of this tag will explain coming sections with briefly. Title. We can mention the title of the web page using the title tag. This is header information and hence mentioned within the header tags. The tag begins with title and ends with \title. Fourth one, body tag. It is the most important of all the tags we have learned so far. The body tag contains the actual body of the page, which will be visible to all the users. This open with body and ends with \body. Every content enclosed within this tag will be shown on the web page, be it writings or images or audios or videos or even links. We will see later in this section how using various tags. Various sections. By using these four tags, this HTML depends on basically these four tags. These four tags are very important to writing a HTML coding. In HTML coding. By using these four tags, you can run any programs. By using this 4 tags, you can write any program languages. These 4 tags backbone of coding of your programming languages. By your programming languages. For example, you are writing some code simple program. Simple program. The pattern code just like HTML within less than a bracket, then open tag had information about the page, colon information this page comment tag. You can give some programs HTML head title hello, by using these programs HTML heading tags. These tags help to give the heading to the content of web pages. These tags are mainly written inside the body tag. HTML provides us with 6 heading tags H1 to H6. For a HTML head title, Greeks of Greeks, title head, body you are given the hello geeks for geeks H1 to H1 backslash H1 H1 ending with H1 H2 ending with H2 H3 ending with H3 H4 ending with H4 H5 ending with H5 H6 ending with H6. This way the programs to be written. The output of the program is hello geeks for geeks. By using this code you can go through HTML tags. Then you can go to the another program paragraph. Then you can go for paragraph program. paragraph program. These tags help us to write a paragraph statement in web page. They start with the p tag and ends with a p. Here the br tag is used to break line and act as a char as written. Br as an empty tag. Similarly, you can go HTML, that is HTML opening tag, and similarly you can start a closing tag. HTML open, and similarly after then you can go for head, after then you go for title. Gigs for gigs, title, head. The head tag is closed, that is a closing tag. Now you can start body tag. H1 hello gigs for gigs H1 closed. That is the heading tag. So you have different heading tags we previously discussed on that one. After then you can start a p, that is a p tag, that is a paragraph tag. This paragraph tag is using to write the program within a paragraph manner. A computer science portal for geeks. Less than greater than between br tag closed. A computer science portal for geeks. Br tag. A computer science portal for geeks. Br tag. Backslash, that is a closed tag, closed p tag, that means paragraph tag. Similarly you can closing the body tag, and after that finally you can close HTML closing tag. These tags help us to write a paragraph. By using the paragraph you can write a paragraph that statements. What are the output of that paragraphs? Hello geeks for geeks. See that hello geeks for geeks, a computer science portal for tags. Then you can go to the HTML horizontal lines tags. Then you are going to the HTML horizontal lines. Horizontal. The HR tag is used to break the page into various parts, creating a horizontal margins with the help of horizontal line running from left to right hand side of the pages. This is also an empty tag and does not take any additional statement. This is also one empty tag. You can see this program. This is also just like previous one. Your tag is have a horizontal, started with the HTML header, title, HTML opening tag, header opening tag, title, gigs for gigs, title, header close. Then you can start the body tag. Here you go for H1 heading tag, hello gigs for gigs, heading tag close, H1 backspace H1. Now you can go for paragraph tag. By using the paragraph tag, a computer science portal for geeks, a computer science portal for geeks, a computer science portal for geeks. BR ended with your line with BR. Break the tag, closing the paragraph tag. HR. Now the tag to be started here HR. Again you can use the paragraph tag. a computer science portal for geeks for PR, a computer science portal for geeks BR, a computer science portal for geeks BR. The paragraph tag is closing. The closing paragraph closing P. Now you can use HR. Again, you can use the P tag, that is a paragraph tag. A computer science portal for geeks. A computer science portal for geeks. BR. A computer science portal for geeks. BR. Again, you close the paragraph tag. Again, you use the HR tag. You can close the body tag, that is a backslash body within less than greater than symbol. Again, the program is completed, then you can stop closing the closing tag HTML backslash HTML less than greater than. Now see expectation of the program output, just like you can give the HR horizontal lines. What that output is given, see the output is just like a computer science portal for geeks, 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 a computer science for portal for geeks, a computer science portal for geeks. You can give the horizontal lines. This way the program to be concluded. Then you can HTML images, HTML images. Generally, students are interested to display some images. Images. But here basically you can go to the HTML attributes. Now you can go to the attributes. An attribute is used to provide extra or additional information about an element. What is that one? An attribute is used to provide extra additional information about an element. An HTML elements can have attributes. Attributes provide additional information about an element. It takes two parameters, a name and value. These define the properties of the elements and is placed inside the opening tag of the element. The name parameter takes the name of the property we would like to assign the element, and the value takes the properties value or extent of the property names that can be aligned over the element. Every name has some value that must be written with quotations. Syntax for an attributes element attribute underscore name equal to within a double quotation attribute underscore value. This give some values of attributes. The paragraph tag in HTML defines a paragraph. These have the both open and closing tag. Anything mentioned within the P, open P and closing P treated as a paragraph. Most browsers read lines as a paragraph even if you don't use the closing tag \p, but this may be so this both good convention must be use the closing tag. Syntax for paragraph tag: P, opening P and closing P. Opening P and closing P. Document type HTML. Head, title, paragraph, title. Head, closing head. Body, paragraph starting opening PIP, a computer science portal for geeks. Paragraph close. Opening paragraph P. It contains well written, well thought articles. Opening paragraph, closing paragraph, \P, \body, \HTML. The output is a computer science portal for geeks. It contains some well written, well thought articles. There are few space added before and after paragraph. HTML does not this delay by default. Let's look few properties of paragraph tag. As already mentioned, the P tag automatically adds a space before and after any paragraph, which is basically margins added by the browser. If a user adds multiple spaces, the browser reduces them to a single space. If a user adds multiple lines, the browser reduces them to a single line. By using purpose, we can use another paragraph program. Head document HTML, opening it, head title display underscore paragraph, that is the title name, / closing paragraph title, head close / closing tag, head tag, opening body, paragraph, opening paragraph. This paragraph has a multiple lines, but HTML reduces them to a single line, omitting the carriage written we have used. Closing paragraph, that is a \P. Opening paragraph, another paragraph, opening P. This paragraph has multiple spaces, but HTML reduces them all to a single space, omitting the extra space lines, and we have used closing paragraph \body, that is closing body tag, and after the ending line we can closing the HTML tag, closing HTML tag, closing HTML tag. The output is this paragraph has multiple lines, but HTML reduce them to a single line, omitting the carriage written we have used. This paragraph multiple spaces, but HTML reduce them all to a single space, omitting the extra space and line we have used. By using this one, you can have different spaces. By using the tag, you can have more spaces, but the tag is considered a single space between lines. This way you can write a simple paragraph tag. Now you can go to BR tag. That is a BR tag. There is a way to let the HTML know where does the browser need to change the lines by use of the BR tag. These tags do not have any closing tag. It is the one of the most important tag, that is the BR tag. There is no closing tag. It is the only single tag, that is the opening tag. Single opening tag will changing the line. By using this one, it will change the line. There is a way to let them HTML know where does the browser need to changing the lines by using the break tag, that is a BR tag. These tags do not have any closing tag. Just a single opening tag will change the line. Syntax for the tag BR only. Opening BR. Less than, greater than, in between of BR. Example of BR tag. Document type HTML. HTML. Opening HTML. Opening boy head. Then you have go for opening title. In between of title display underscore paragraph. The closing title less than backslash title greater than. In between of opening and closing tag display underscore paragraph. Head, closing the head tag. Then you can start the body tag. After then you can start a P, that is the opening tag P. This you can write any comment on that one. This paragraph has multiple lines, but HTML reduce them. That is BR to a single line, omitting BR. After then you can the carriage return we have used. You are using different BR tags, BR tag in different places, but you are writing different comment. That is a paragraph, and that one you are using different places. You are using BR tag. Now you can close paragraph tag, that is a closing P. That closing P. After then you can also close body tag, that is a backslash body, that is a closing body. After then you can HTML also close, that is HTML also close. What that, see the output. This property, this paragraph has multiple lines. Multiple. You are giving the BR first in coding. You are giving a BR. After the multiple, the new line to be coming. That is the lines, but they reduce them. After them, you are given another break statement. For that, it is coming to new line, to a single line, vomiting. After vomiting you are given another break, then it is coming to the next line. The carriage return we have used this topic to be given different way. For that the program is after the break statement, the program to be changed to new line. This way the paragraph of the break